भोपाल एक मेरी नजर से। Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. It is known as the city of lakes for its various natural as well as artificial lakes, and is also one of the greenest cities in India. Bhojtal is said to have been built by the Parmara Raja Bhoj during his tenure as the king of Malwa. Bhojtal, formerly known as Upper Lake, is a large lake which lies on the western side of Bhopal city. It is a major source of drinking water for the residents of the city, serving around nearly 30 million gallons of water per day. भोजताल या बड़ा तालाब क्यों बनवाया गया? इसके पीछे भी एक बड़ा दिलचस्प किस्सा है, बड़ी रोमांचक कहानी है। कहते हैं राजा भोज को एक बार चमड़ी का रोग लग गया और उस जमाने के सारे वैद्य हकीम मिलकर उनके इस रोग को ठीक न कर पाए। राजा भोज की परेशानी दिन ब दिन बढ़ती जा रही थी। फिर एक बुजुर्ग ने राजा भोज को सलाह दी कि 365 नदियों का पानी मिलाकर एक तालाब का निर्माण करवाएं और उसमें नहाने से राजा की चमड़ी का रोग दूर हो जाएगा। राजा ने अपने सलाहकारों की मदद से भोपाल से 32 किलोमीटर दूर बेतवा नदी के पास एक तालाब का निर्माण करवाया, लेकिन बाद में ही पाया गया कि उस तालाब में केवल 359 नदियों का पानी ही मिल पाया था। फिर राजा के गोंड सेनापति ने एक ऐसी नदी का पता बताया जिसके तालाब में मिलने से तालाब में 365 नदियों का समावेश हो पाया और राजा भोज उस तालाब में स्नान कर पाए और इस तरह भोजताल या बड़ा तालाब अस्तित्व में आया। The lake was known as Upper Lake or Bada Talab until March 2011. It was renamed to Bhojtal in honor of great King Raja Bhoj, who built it. A huge statue of Raja Bhoj, standing with sword, was also installed on a pillar on one corner of the lake to cement the name of Bhopal as the city of lakes. The National Sailing School was established at the boat club on its eastern side. This club offers various water sports such as kayaking, canoeing, parasailing, etc. A number of operators provide facilities for exciting trips by sail, paddle and motorboats. The two lakes support flora and fauna. White stork, black-necked stork, bar-headed goose, spoonbills, etc. that have been rare sightings in the past have started appearing. The Takia Island in Upper Lake has a tomb of the Shah Ali Shah Rahmatullah Alayh, which has religious and archaeological significance. But now, the lake is shrinking and being polluted due to human activities in the recent times. The waste and drainage generated by nearby city of Bhopal is dumped in lake, affecting its ecology. Thank you for watching my video, and if you wish to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe our channel Streets Travelers.